Hi guys, this is me Habib Sisa talking to you. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use HTML website as a homepage for your WordPress website. So I found that most of people they were searching it, so I also was searching for it, but I couldn't find the way to do it. But finally I found it by checking how WordPress loads my website. Anyway, before that, give me 5 seconds to talk to my native audience so that they can understand what I'm talking about. So video bi dama ko def pour leeral lu aju ci wàllu website, donc du pour yéen ko am, mais bu fekkee am nga interest aussi mën nga ko watch. Okay, yes guys, coming back to you. So we have here like that, we have this web which is a static web page. I can show you. It is here. It is like only CSS, HTML and JavaScript, so it doesn't include that PHP. And also we have here that WordPress website, which is here. I have this WordPress website, so I think you know this page, which is like most of the common web page that come by default with WordPress. So let's say that I want this home page to be this one. I want to use this page as my home page. So how I can do that? First of all, I need to understand one thing, which is how that WordPress load my website. First of all, we have here something called index. This is the index of WordPress. Let's open it and see. When you open it, you find this codes and this like a description or comment. So this said this page index just to use to load this page, which is wp-block header.php. So this page index is just used to load this page, which is this one, wp-block. Let's open it also and see this one. And also this page is just used also to load another page, which is wp-load.php, which is this one, or it is this one. Okay, so even we don't gonna use it, but just I wanted to show you. So this page index will be load first, and will load this one, and this will load this one. So let's start how we can use that static website as our home page. Like we want this page static to be our this WordPress web page. So as you can find it, this is just like a static, right? So let's come here to our files where we save the WordPress website. When we come here, we can find index that I was talking about a few seconds ago. When you open it, you see this one. Okay, but before that, let's do one thing. Let's load our those pages. We have index and this one. We want to copy them all to our root directory, which is this one. Okay, we did this. Okay, let's close this one. It is this one now let's open that index. We already open it, which is this one, index.php, which come with WordPress. When we open it, we find this file. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna change this one. But first of all, before we change it, let's like use it. Let's copy it and use it as command also, so that maybe we will need to use it. We will need to use it again. Let's just make it comment so that will not run. We change this one to index, but this time .html, which is our that page. Okay, save it and come back to your here and run it. So you will find that it is just working perfectly. So this is now your website, like this is your home page. But let's say one thing, I want to link this one, like one page here, for example services. I want to use this service to go to WordPress theme. So how I can do that? For that we need to come here. Okay, so this page index used to load another page, but now we just use it to load this index.html, which doesn't have that second page that we said, which was this one, wp-block header. So what we can do, guys, is we copy this index which is PHP, and we paste it here, and then we rename it maybe for index.cp, like copy. Okay, and we come inside. When we come inside this index, what we will do, we gonna like make change as we did before. We make it as it was. Okay, so what will happen is Now this page will load this page, and it will run as like usual as WordPress used to load our web pages. Save this page. This is our copy, right? This is our index.php, the original one. We change it to load our static website, and then we copy it, and then now we are going to load our themes. How we will do that? For example, we want to load this is our index.html. What we want is we want load what is that? For example, services. When we come to services here, this link, we want it to go to somewhere else, which is this page. It's supposed to come here to index.cp.php. Okay, we can just copy the name from here for avoiding spelling mistakes. So we just copy it, and we come here. Okay, services.html. Okay, .php. So what will happen is, now when we open, let's see it one by one by ourselves. Okay, when we open our website, like from the beginning, localhost, it is this one, right? It is this one. Okay, when you open it directly, it will take us to this home page that we saved, which is this one. Okay, we made it. Okay, and then what will happen, we want to link this to our WordPress. When we press services, it will take us to this WordPress website, which is like awesome things I just found right now. So you just came and customize your page. So we have the home page as static, and you also use another theme inside this page, and just to use WordPress as usual. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.